Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Pitchbox for scalable SEO link building, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Pitchbox for scalable SEO link building, begin by visiting the Pitchbox website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button if you don't already have one. Fill in the required details, including your name, email address, and password. Once you've entered your information, check your email for a verification link and click on it to confirm your account. After verification, log into your Pitchbox account using your credentials. Now, navigate to the Integrations section in the dashboard. Connect your Pitchbox account to your preferred SEO tools, such as Moz, Ahrefs, or a SEMrush. Next, go to the Campaigns tab to start creating a new link building campaign. Click on the New Campaign button to set up your campaign details. Enter a relevant name for your campaign, along with the target keywords you want to rank for. Select your outreach strategy, such as blogger outreach or PR outreach. Configure the settings for the campaign, including the number of outreach emails you'd like to send. Now, move on to the Prospect section to find potential link building opportunities. Utilize Pitchbox's built-in search features to identify websites that match your criteria. Filter and sort your prospects based on authority, relevance, and other important metrics. Once your list is ready, start personalizing your outreach templates within the Templates section. Create a series of email templates tailored for each type of prospect you plan to contact. Make sure to customize these templates with placeholders for names and other personalized details. After crafting your templates, return to the Campaigns section to finalize your outreach list. Select the prospects you want to contact and assign your personalized templates to them. Schedule your outreach emails by setting a specific timeline for sending. Once everything is in place, hit the Launch button to start your automated outreach campaign. Monitor response rates and engagement through the Pitchbox dashboard as your emails are sent out. Follow up with any non-responders using the follow-up sequences you've set up. Analyze the performance of your campaign regularly to optimize future outreach efforts. Adjust your approach based on what works best for your specific audience. Continue to refine your strategy as you learn from the outcomes of your campaigns. With this setup, you're now equipped to use Pitchbox for scalable SEO link building. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.